Right, says Lapana November 2020, question number 6. But its dissociation of iodine molecules to iodine atoms is a reversible reaction. We have iodine molecules to iodine atoms is a reversible reaction. So, which means if it's reversible, so the balanced equation for the reaction is that, and this takes place in a sealed container at 727 degrees Celsius, and sinikezwe Kc wakhona, okay, equilibrium yakhona Kc, it's 3.76 times 10 to the power minus 3. I hope that is minus 3. I bonakali kahle le 3 kodwa ke ayi minus 3. So sebenza ngayo. Write down the meaning of the term reversible reaction. The meaning of the term reversible reaction, which means a reaction whereby reactants ekwazi ukwakha ama products. Mese yakila ama products nama products akwazi ukuthi akhe ama reactants. So that's a reversible reaction, yeah, minus 3. So it means a reaction where reactants are able to form products, and at the same time products will form reactants in return. So it does not go to completion reactive pele. Kodwa kuyenzeka ukuthi ngalesikhathi yakha ama reactants yakha ama products, nama products akha ama reactants. At equilibrium, the pressure of the system is increased by decreasing the volume. The pressure of the system is increased. When pressure is increased, you increase the pressure by decreasing the volume of the container at constant temperature. How will each of the following be affected? Choose from increases, decreases, or remain the same. Right. 6.2.1, what about the value of equilibrium constant? The value of equilibrium constant, we know with the equilibrium constant is only affected by a change in temperature, not pressure, so it won't be affected. So the correct answer is remain the same. Ungabhali, it won't be affected. Yabona mabhali ngamagama amakhulu lapha. When you say it won't be affected, kiyafana se ka. But those are instructions. Choose from increases, decreases, or remain the same. So what about the number of I2 molecules? What about the number of I2 molecules? When you increase the pressure, the system will shift to the direction where less number of moles are formed. So the number of I2 molecules or iodine molecules will increase. Increases, that is the number of iodine molecules. 6.3, explain the answer to question 6.2.2 by referring to Le Chatelier's principle. Simple and straightforward. By referring to Le Chatelier's principle, then it won't affect. In fact, when you increase the pressure or you decrease the volume, the system will shift to the direction where less number of moles are formed. Now you have 1 mole as against 2, that is ngokwe ratio. We have 1 as against 2, or it will shift to the direction where less number of moles are formed. So because the volume will be less, so it forms we have an increase now in the formation of I2, which is our reactant. Right. 6.4, at 227 degrees Celsius, 227 degrees Celsius. Okay, lapana it was 272. Oh, 720. Hey. Yeah. Bafuna ukudida, bafuna ukubona ukuthi ubonile yini. Yabona phezulu lapha there's lapha. It's 727. Hey, I wonder. When amabhali iphepha la November 2020 mhlambe uthe uyarepeata nje buka mhlambe unakanga lento. This is 727. The Kc ingaka. What about at 227? Even at 227, at a lower temperature, 227. Lana at 727, the KC is 3,6, 3,7. Hey, yaqabanga abantu abanakanga, times 10 to the power minus 3. At 227, the KC is 5,6 times 10 to the power minus 12. Yo! KC value now is 5,6. Ukade ungacabanga ukuthi le number enkulu kunale yile enkulu kunale ngoba i-exponent yale 10 to the power minus 3 Diana 10 to the power minus 12. So la the KC, which means when temperature is decreased from 727 to 227, the value of KC nayo yancipha yehla endothermic. If the reaction is endothermic, temperature and KC yahambisana. So when temperature was decreased from 727 to 227 degrees Celsius. It's a nice revision bakwethu. Ngiyarevise manje angisaphendula iphepha manje. Sengiyarevise akuveke umnandi bakwethu. Now iyehla temperature from 727 to 227. Hame iyehla buka value ka KC nayo iyehla. Now ukhiye bakwethu. Yabona la 10 to the minus 3, lena 10 to the minus 12. Okwenza le value bencane kakhulu kunale. Incane. Ngoba u10 to the minus 3, lena 10 to the minus 12. Maybe times ngayo leyo number. So the value of KC decreases. Okwenza ukuthi i-reaction ibe endothermic. Ngoba kwi-endothermic reaction, the value of KC decreases with temperature. Is the forward reaction endothermic or exothermic? Fully explain the answer. When the forward is endothermic because when temperature is decreased, both rates decreases, but forward decreases more than reverse. Then the reverse will be favored. Ngoba manje reverse is less than forward. The forward reverse is more than forward. Imoyiswa yini ngoba inciphe kancane lenye inciphe kakhulu. So uma reverse iba forward, then the concentration of reactants becomes more and the value of KC decreases. So this is how we work it out. We explain the answer. Asiya ku 6.5. Oh, kwasuka lokho. Kwasuka kuphi na? Lokho. Ama marks mangaki na? Awu 9. Kusukeni lokho. Asibona ukuthi lokho ke uthini? A certain mass of iodine molecule, before reaction sinikezwe kuthiwa a certain mass, asiyazi le mass of iodine molecule in a sealed 12,3 decimeter cubed flask at a certain temperature. Right? A certain mass angisule la sebebuzile laba mhlawumbe mebe ngasibuza futhi singajabula kakhulu ngoba zimnandi zisinikeza amamaki. So we have a certain mass, angishintshe umbala lana kuze kubonakala ukuthi khona la siya khona. Right, where the volume is how much? Is 12,3 decimeter cubed. Now, that mass, when equilibrium is reached, reacted and formed, we don't know. A certain mass, so I guess OX, now we don't know. So equilibrium, Alana, I guess but when equilibrium is reached, the concentration, in terms of concentration, any number of moles over volume, any concentration of iodine, the concentration of iodine atoms, which is I, the concentration yangare, abanye bathi ngare, 4,79 times 10 to the power minus 3 mole per cubic decimeter. Oh, imnandi mention jalo minus 3. Hey, that's a nice question. but calculate the initial mass. What is the initial mass of iodine molecule? Oh, yazi yamnandi nanti. Siyanikezwa ukuthi the Kc yakhona sisebenzisa le Kc le. Siyosebenzisa le Kc le basinikeze yona lapha. Now, ake sibone ukuthi sithola kanjani. Siyathola ukuthi besingenalutho la before reaction we had nothing, befake a certain mass. So kwatholakala ukuthi ku reactor ngaki na. Now ake sithola ama number of moles la. Number of moles is concentration times the volume. What is concentration? It's 4,79 times 10 to the power minus 3 times 12,3. So I guess sibone ukuthi ama moles amangakanani lapho now. So we have your 4,79 times 10 to the power minus 3, okay, times 12,3, ngithola mina 5,89 or 5, let's say 5,9 lana ngino 5,9 times 10 to the power minus 2. So we have 5,9 times 10 to the power minus 2. So mesiale lento plus 1, yeah, minus 2 moles. Alright, mesno minus 2 moles, besingena lutho kwa edega 5,9 times 10 to the power minus 2 moles. Okay, kwafeka or sesingayifaka ngale kunye singayisebenzisa ngamalento yini le 0,059 moles. Iyafana nalento engibhale laphana lento singazisixabani u5,9 times 10 to minus 2 injengo 0,059. Sasiyangalena ke uma kuedeke lana ngapha kusuke eyodwa iyosakhela ezimbili. Kusho ukuthi mengifuna ukuthola lo yawodwa ngidivide lokhu ngo2. Uma ngifuna ukuthola lo ya1 divide le ngapha ngo2. So ake sidivide u0,059 this is 0,059 divided by 2. Ngithola mina 0,0295. Lana kuphuma u0,0295 moles. Okay, uphuma u0,029. Now sesicalculateile ukuthi 0,059 u2 la, it's 2, this is 2 times leya ngapha noma leyo half yangapha. So ukuthola leya ngapha you divide by 2. So if you divide 0,059 ngo2 sithola leya. But now lana we must now get the concentration ka I2. We know the concentration ka I, but we must get the concentration of iodine molecule. Now the concentration of iodine molecule, we are given the value of Kc. Now it's a value of Kc, then we say the value of Kc is equals to the concentration of I squared over concentration of I. That gives us the value of length. Manje ake sifuna concentration ga I. So concentration of I will be equals to concentration of I squared over Kc. Right. Sithola kanjani. What is concentration of I squared? Is 4,79 times 10 to the power minus 3 all squared. Divide by what? Kc, which is 3,76 times 10 to the power minus 3. So that is concentration of I. Now, I guess Pegela. Now, this is a 0,0 0479. 1 2 3 here squared sala singakanani na silesa divide by 0.00376 0.00376 ngithola la mina ngithola u6.610 times 10 to the power minus 3 mole per decimeter cubed. Ngithola okuyi concentration ka I2. Now sengitholile ke no 6, sengibuyela la ngibuyela lokho engitholile ke ngifaka la ingakanani concentration yala 6.10 times 10 to the power minus 3 okwama number of moles angakanani concentration times volume, so which is 6.10 times 10 to the power minus 3 times a volume 12.3 asi times le number le 12.3, so sesingathi na 6.10 times 12.3 ngithola nila ngithola 7.05 times 10 to the power minus 2. Ngithola 7.05 times 10 to the power minus 2 moles. Sengithola ama moles angaka la. So athina ama moles angalena awethu na sesiyathola ke ukuthi manje sesiyofuna ama number of moles manje ngoba sesiyathola ukuthi uma kuphuma amanga kanani manje ama number of moles akade ekhona before reaction, ama number of moles akade ekhona singawazi nx sikhuluma ngani I2 before reaction, ama number of moles lento mo keeper u0.0295 kusale ngaki na kusale ama number of moles now ama number of moles asele which is 7.05 times 10 to the power minus 2, so which means ama number of moles angakanani na 7.05 times 10 to the power minus 2 plus 2.95 times 10 to the power minus 2 12, which is sengizothi la plus 0.995 ngithola number of moles 1.04453 times 10 to the power minus 1 moles. Ama moles angaka okuyimass engakanani leyo na sesiyake kwimass ngifuna ke sitholile la ama moles lawa angaka kodwa ke manje the question ithi imass engakanani edingakalayo, so number of moles it's mass over molar mass, so mass will be number of moles times molar mass, so number of moles is 1.0453 times 10 to the power minus 1 times 127 times 2. So we have 1.0 lento times 127 times 2. So sithola nilana ngithola 127 times 2 ngiyazi 127 times 2 ngithola u254 times 1.0453 times 10 to the power minus 1. Thola mina 26.55 grams. So the mass will be 26.55 grams. So this is how we get a mass yethu le 26.55 grams. Uzobona ke nawe kwi memo mhlawumbe mona imemo uyobona ukuthi isuka lapha ko 20 ngoba phela besihamba se round off kokunye ho 26.55 enye ithi 26.54 3 njalo njalo uzoyicheckela yona kwi memo yakho. So this is how it goes. That is question number 6.